Differential. The differential allows engine torque to be applied to both drive axles, which rotate at varying speeds during cornering and while traveling over bumps and dips in the road. The differential also changes the direction of engine torque 90 degrees from the rotation of the driveshaft lengthwise with the vehicle. When we see the power flow, the drive shaft turns the drive pinion gear. The pinion gear turns the larger ring gear, producing a final gear reduction. The ring gear is bolted to the differential case. There are two bevel gears called pinions that are constantly meshed with a beveled axle side gear on each axle. The pinion and axle side gears are contained in a housing called differential case. Through the two pinion gears in the case, in mesh with the pinion gears are two side gears that are splined to the inner ends of the axles. Assuming that a vehicle has equal traction at both wheels, differential action does not occur. In other words, when traveling straight on smooth road surfaces, the ring gear case and the drive axles are traveling at the same speed, they rotate as a unit, and the spider gears are not rotating on the cross shaft. Whenever any vehicle makes a turn, the outside wheel must travel a greater distance than the inside wheel. A differential is a mechanical addition and subtraction assembly. By splitting the engine torque to the drive wheels when the vehicle is turning a corner, the torque forces cause the side gear and pinion gears to subtract torque from one side and add torque to the opposite side. When the vehicle turns a corner, the inner wheel slows and the outer wheel increases in speed to compensate. This difference in rotational speed causes the pinion gears to walk around the slower side gear. The drive shaft applies torque to the drive pinion gear that meshes below the center line of a ring gear. This type of gear set is called a hypo-id gear set and requires gear lubrication specifically designed for this type of service. The ring gear mounts onto the differential case. Each slanted ring gear tooth has two ends. Its toe is closest to the ring gear center, its heel closest to the outside circumference. The tooth root is the depression lying between two teeth, and the crown is the very top of each tooth. While a vehicle accelerates, the drive pinion contacts the ring teeth on its drive or convex side. While decelerating, the drive pin ion contacts the ring teeth on its coast or concave side. The intermediate position between drive and coast, when neither the ring gear nor the pinion is driving each other, is called the floating position. Differential carrier provides a mounting place for the pinion gear, differential case, and other components. Two basic types are used. Those are removable carrier, bolts to the front of the axle housing. Integral carrier, constructed as part of the axle housing.